Okay, we're live, guys.
All right, perfect.
Should we go directly to the test or review the homework?
Yeah, I think we have to review the homework.
All right. Okay. All right, part 2, right?
Yep.
All right, 7 and 8. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna read it. A study by the National Association of Realtors reported in 2004 that a second home sales accounted for more than a third of residential real estate transactions. According to the report, the average age of a person buying a second home as an investment rental property was 47 years. A real estate agent to estimate the average age of those buying investments properties in his area. He randomly selected 15 of his clients who purchased an investment property. Their age are, the age are right there. So the question number 7 is, what are the requirements for creating a 95% confidential T intervals? Oh dear. It was a random sample for population according to what it says here, which I agree. And the eggs are normally distributed.
Okay. I guess I could read the next one. It says, with the data above, calculate the margin of error and create a 95% confidence interval to estimate the mean age of all clients who buy an investment property. Input the numbers you computed in number 7 of part 1 into the confidence interval formula. Show your work below. The t-score for a 95% confidence interval for the t-distribution with 14 degrees of freedom is 2.1448. Round your upper and lower bound to 1 decimal place, but do not do this rounding until you have done all your computations. So I have, for the lower one, 41.845, and for the upper one, 51.662.
It's 51.622.
51.622?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what I have. What did I say?
51.622.
Oh, okay.
It's okay.
I don't even know what I said, but yeah, that's what I have too.
I'll do 9.
Okay.
Now create a 99% confidence interval to estimate the mean age of all clients who built an investment property. Follow the same rounding rules as above. The t-score for a 99% confidence interval from the t-distribution with 14 degrees of freedoms is 2.9768. So for the lower, I have 39.948, and the upper is 53.518.
Yep.
Melina, do you have 10?
This one was a hard one. Now using your class software. Compute. Okay.
Can you hear us, Melina? We can't hear you.
Can you hear us?
I don't think she can.
I don't think she can. Technical difficulties.
Can you hear me now?
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, great. Okay. Question 10. Best software compute. A, the 95% confidence interval using the data above, the same number 8. 41.845 and 51.622. B, 99% confidence interview using the data above. First, 39.948 and 53.518.
Correct. Yeah, pretty much what we did is compile the previous results to this question. All right, the 11. How does the margin of error of the 95% confidence interval compare to the 99% interval? Well, the 95% is smaller. It has an interval smaller, and the 90% is okay. Let me rephrase. The margin of error for the confidence interval is smaller than a 95% confidence level than 99% confidence level.
That's what I got.
Yeah, me too.
Mhm.
Do you want me to read 12?
Sure.
Okay. Rather than estimating the age of his clients that buy investment properties, the realtor agent would like to test the claim that the age of his clients is different than the national average of 47. Use the 0.05 as your level of significance. Follow the following sequence of steps. Fill in your answers at each step and show all your work. So the null and alternative hypothesis are 47 and not 47
Yeah.
for A, and then B, T, whoops, sorry. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Okay. You ready for B? B says compute the test statistic. First, not yet?
Oh, I was going to read it. That's fine.
Oh, go ahead.
Compute the test statistic. First, compute is using the formula and showing your work below. Then check these test statistics by imputing the data into the software. So the result from the software is T equals minus 0.117.
Yeah.
Yep, that's what I have.
Mm-hmm. Me too.
Okay, then C says state the degrees of freedom. I have 14.
Correct.
Yeah, não tô com ele agora. 14?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry.
It's just letter D.
Okay.
D.
Pegou? Onde? Ah, não sei, ele estava dentro da bolsa no quarto da mãe.
So for D, it looks like a bell shape. Does everyone kind of look like that too?
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
you just put the information in there.
Yep. And
The
then it just gives you the
0.17,
graph.
the 0.117, and it drops to the area for 0.9085.
Yeah.
That was, which resolved the next question. So E is use your software to compute the p-value, which the p-value is 0.909 rounded.
Yep.
Yeah. F, state your decision. Do you reject the new hypothesis of to reject at the 0.5 level of significance? I it's high. Fell. I don't know. How can I say?
Fail, you were
The
right.
new fell. Okay, fell to reject the new hypothesis.
Perfect. So G says, present your conclusion in an English sentence relating the result to the context of the problem. I just said we have insufficient evidence to prove the at-home buyer is 47.
Correct.
Okay.
All right.
Who
All right,
still
so-
needs to take the test?
Yep. So does everyone have it open up already, or?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I just already took mine, but I.
So, Melina, do you have yours up already, or
What? Sorry.
do you have your group meeting quiz already up?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Okay. Perfect. So, let's start with question 3. It says in the previous lesson we had assumed the population standard deviation sigma was known. In this lesson, we are making a different assumption about sigma. What has changed? We assume sigma is unknown.
Correct. That was the only that I didn't remember. Okay. All right. I'll read the next one. It says for the next 2 questions, let's the nulls and alternative hypothesis. VH is okay. I don't know how to read those, but we see the numbers. Assume that population standard deviation sigma is not known. Becca collects a sample of size of n equals 9 and compute 11s and 6 for the numbers, respecting names. So is sigma known? No. So what I got for number 5 is a 1.5.
Yeah, that's what I have as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For what it's X, I got 98.22.
Sorry.
Yeah.
98.22.
22-0.
Yeah, just don't include the zero. It's pretty much no point to do it.
So for 7, what is S? I have 0.922. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's correct.
Yep.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was kind of doing the quiz as we were doing the homework. So
All right.
T-score minus 1.8.
Yep.
For
Okay.
what did you guys get for that one?
which one is that?
Number 8,
Oh,
negative 1.843.
yeah, correct.
Okay, negative 1.843. Okay, so
Yeah.
For 9, what I got is 0.04 for the
Yeah.
p-value.
yep.
I can understand.
Oh, 0.04.
I have different font. Okay.
What do you got, Melina?
I didn't understand.
Hey, what are you doing? Don't take food up there.
Are you using the Excel spreadsheet from the class?
Okay.
Okay.
Are we to 10?
Yes, I believe so.
Okay, 10 was reject the null hypothesis.
Yeah.
Sorry?
It was reject the null hypothesis.
The second?
Number 10.
Number 10, reject.
Oh,
The
yeah.
second one, yeah.
Sorry. Okay.
That's okay.
Okay.
All right. For the number, well, the following questions for 10 and 11, what I got is 0.995 for the p-value.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I just got.
Yeah.
And obviously that was since it's a fault to reject the null hypothesis.
Yeah.
So for 13, I have decrease.
Yes.
Okay, good.
And then 14 is fail to reject.
Yeah, when you
13? Sorry. I don't know why. 13, it's a decrease?
Yes.
yes.
Okay. And the 14, reject.
Fail to
Yes.
reject.
It's failed to reject.
Okay.
Even that when you change the values, it still go for rejection. But to fail. It goes to fail. Okay, for 15, I have 23.5.
Yeah.
Yep.
No, no.
And then 16 is 56.5.
Yeah, what it detects, if you have
0.6.
Melina for the 15, 23.4999, you have to round the number. It's 23.5.
Yeah. Yeah, and then 16, I have a 56.6.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so I just got 100. So there we go.
Wow. Have you guys take the quiz for
What? Oh,
the second quiz for the lesson 10?
why?
Go ahead, Melina.
I have a question.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. I didn't understand.
What question, Melina?
I put the question 14. It's different. I don't know. I put it's reject, and it's I don't know. Well, the phone. I didn't understand why. Okay, I changed, but I can't understand.
Oh, it has to be with what it shows in the Excel spreadsheet. So because in the confidence level you put the result that you got in question okay, let me see. In question 11, so that's we have to first understand the question 11 and question 12. So why it's failed to reject. So even though that you change, excuse me, they change the values in the in the Excel file, it is still the tendency, or the sequence is still presents itself by failing, not by rejecting. I don't know if I'm making sense.
Mm. I thought this is reject, but it's not.
All right.
Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay. I got it. Thank you, Manuel.
Are we good?
All right, guys, I have to book out of the call.
Okay, thanks, Emmanuel, for being here.
No, you're welcome. And I hope I help a little bit about what.
Talk to you Monday.
All right, talk to you Monday. Melina, I have a project to finish for my CS class. But if I can help you with something, just send me a message. It's easy for me in the message.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
All right, guys. See ya.
Bye.